Okay guys, step 1 is complete, which is hacking. What needs to be hacked has been hacked, and this is one reason why you need to not say eyeball or micromanage, but you need to be involved in your renovation process. So I had a cove light up here and it was supposed to be there, but they removed it, and oh well, it is what it is. So the ID has offered to, replace what went wrong. It's up for discussion, so we'll see what they can propose. But I did write very specifically in my ID briefing that this was supposed to be there. Another thing is when you start hacking, you have to be very careful, all right, to know where your aircon piping runs. Because take a look at this. They have hacked my floor, and my aircon drain pipe actually runs under the floor, and it's been badly damaged already. So this is one thing to be aware about. Stuff like that may happen. All this is aircon drain pipes. So one thing that be a bit careful is what's under your floor when you decide to do such work, right? Bear in mind.